Okay, good evening, madam. I'm Mkaku Dennis, offering IT. Now the question is, using text editor of your choice, create a 2-page website about institution of your choice. The website should have good colors, following good design principles, and appropriate layout, navigation, and links between the pages. Create a video presentation of not more than 10 minutes illustrating steps you go through to develop and run this app. Upload the video on YouTube, send its link together with the verification or the registration permit to NAC Mulisi at mriu.ac before. Using the text editor of your choice. So for me, I've decided to use the text pad. Now, dealing with 2 pages. Now this is the first page, which is the sports day, my page. So when I try to open it, with text pad. So I have decided to use text pad. Now this is my code. No. Okay, we have the Mbalala. My institution is Mbalala School of Information Technology. This is my title. Then style, background color, I've decided to use red. Then font color is blue, size 4-inch. Align, I want it in center. So the sports day, this is about the sports day. Some of the information about this day. The sports has the power to bring together personalities of varying tribes, religion. After this means sports brings about togetherness in tribes, religion, religious sections. Now the following are some of the examples of sports activities carried out at the campus at this very sports day. We have the football, netball, volleyball, basketball, and so many other sports. Now some of the principles and layout. I've decided, actually I have loaded out this image. Now this image you must download it, or you must be having it in the file, in the folder where you working from. So here's my folder. So I have this image. This one, I have this image. Which is Mbalala. Then I'm this one. This is Mbalala. So this is the image. Now when I go back here, it's so. Now I've showed you the image. Now I am this is Mbalala. Then this means it's this means the type of the image. Now here I break, separating the image from the content. Separating the image from the content. Now the list of universities. So when I open it in Google Chrome or any other browser, internet browser, open it with, which is the Google Chrome. Now this is the sports there. I'll do the sports as so far as I've explained them to. Now this is the image. Then so when I click here to next, it takes me directly to the another page. Now here bring a question, link together. You should. So the question was saying, and links between the pages. So I had to create the link between two pages. So when I click next, it takes me directly to my sports layout, which is the first page. Here, when I click here to the next, it takes me to the second page. Now let us look at the next page, which is the list of universities, list of universities in this gala. So when I open my text pad, because I've decided to use text pad, now here I'm seeing the list of schools, now color. I've decided to use green. So here the list of universities in this tournament, we have Mbalala University, we have Mutesa One, the first Royal University, then we have Makerere University. So here in separating, I've decided to break so that I put them to the next break. Okay. So, this is Mbalala, Mutesa One, the first Royal University, and Makerere University. So, we break in order to create space or to show the breaks in form of breaks, to the next line. So this is then supposed day. Then when I try to run here, sports list of universities, then open with Google Chrome. Now the list of universities, we have Mbalala, so far as explained, Makerere, Mutesa, the first Royal University, then you have the Kampala University. So when I click here to next, it takes me to the first page. Then when I click to the first page, it takes me to the second page. So that's my project. Okay, Kaku Dennis, thank you, madam. Okay, thank you, madam.